How to fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. Hello everyone, it's Morgan here and welcome back to our channel Create Login and Delete. So let's start the video. Firstly, close all the Roblox applications running on your background. Open up the task manager. Close all the Roblox applications that are running on the background. And after that, open up your browser and log into your Roblox account. Go to settings, go to privacy, and make sure that the account restrictions are not enabled. And you should be able to fix your problem. But even after disabling the account restrictions, you are not being able to access the game. Go to parental controls and make sure that you change it to 13 plus. And while accessing this feature, you might need to enable this parental pin. And after changing those two settings, you should be able to log back and enjoy your game properly. And if you're still not being able to change or fix the issue, the next option is to log out Roblox from your browser, default browser, and restart your PC and log back into your Roblox account again, and you should be able to fix your problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.